My name is Kari Lehr, and I am a painter. Reviewing imagery along a certain idea, certain theme, and that moment when your heart starts beating a little bit faster, and you're starting to think, yeah, oh, right, yeah, that's what I was thinking. Oh, I could see, and these ideas start kind of piling on top of each other, and everything kind of comes together in this light bulb moment of, I think there's painting there, That's a really exciting moment. I love that. It's kind of this delicious feeling of, possibility. And then ooh, okay, now the fun starts. Sometimes people think that artists just kind of we float around our studios in this blissed out state, creating and and we're so fortunate and so privileged to be able to cultivate this quiet time in this space to ponder these ideas and express what is all, what's going on in our hearts and our minds.